Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you this 6-foot Norfolk pine decoration. Of course, this is not real, but it has the appearance of it being very real. It is a very rubbery silicone, easy to manipulate, and it is on a very hard wire that is bendable with loops already built in. So I've already hung one of them up on the mantle because you get 2 of them. So I'm just going to show you how easy it is. I'm just going to use the hooks we already have here on the mantle. And with 2 of them, you can just kind of make a fuller appearance with them. Or you could use these in many different ways, wherever you want to. It just is going to look best. So let me show you this close up. So here is a close-up of it. Again, just kind of across the mantle. I think it would look really nice with lights also, but I just love how real it looks and the feel of it. So if you're preparing for the holiday season or you just like more of that outdoors natural decoration, this is a definite must-have. Thank you for watching. Bye.